You know, for modern accountants, the world is no longer just about ledgers and spreadsheets. A whole new frontier has opened up, and it's all powered by data. So today, we're going to dig into the massive opportunities and the hidden dangers of big data analytics, a skill that's becoming absolutely essential for every CPA. Let's get right into it.
And hey, that's not an exaggeration. This quote from our source material really sets the stage perfectly. I mean, think about it. The absolute fundamentals of accounting, the stuff you learn on day one, are now sitting side by side with this incredibly powerful new capability. It's a total evolution of the profession. So what does this new world actually look like?
All right, to really wrap our heads around this, we have to start with a clear foundation. So let's begin with a simple, direct definition of what we even mean when we say data analytics.
At its core, it's really all about taking raw information and turning it into something useful. Insights that actually help businesses make better, smarter decisions. It's the huge difference between just having a ton of data and truly understanding what that data is trying to tell you.
Now, these methods build on each other in a really powerful way. Accountants use these four main approaches. It all starts with descriptive analytics, which is kind of like looking in the rearview mirror to see what happened. Then we move to diagnostic analytics, which asks the next logical question: why did it happen? From there, things get really interesting with predictive analytics, which tries to forecast what might happen. And finally, the most powerful of them all, prescriptive analytics, which tells us what we can do about it to shape that future. It's a journey from just reacting to getting ahead of the curve. So, with that framework in mind, let's talk about the good stuff. What's the promise here? What happens when we apply these powerful methods to what we call big data? First, a super quick definition. Big data isn't just, well, more data. It's really defined by four key characteristics, sometimes called the 4 V's. We're talking about immense volume, incredible velocity or speed, a huge variety of different data types, and the absolute need for veracity, which just means making sure the data is accurate and reliable. When you can harness all that, the benefits can be absolutely game-changing.
And this is where it gets really exciting for businesses. We're talking about enhancing strategic decisions with insights you never would have seen before, or improving productivity by, say, spotting waste in thousands of expense reports automatically. Analytics can help maximize revenue by really understanding customer behavior, which leads to faster, more proactive decision-making. It can even spark innovation by pointing out opportunities for brand new products. It literally touches every single part of an organization.
And this is the crucial point, right here. Data analytics fundamentally changes a company's entire mindset. Instead of just reacting to last quarter's numbers, accountants can now help leadership get ahead of trends, anticipate challenges, and actually create the outcomes they're looking for.
But, and this is a huge but, with all of this incredible power comes some very, very real risk. See, the data doesn't always speak for itself, and it is absolutely critical to approach these tools with a healthy dose of caution.
This might be the single most important question an accountant or analyst can ask themselves. And the answer is a resounding no. These outputs are not some infallible truth handed down from a machine.
This quote from our source material really nails the warning. A model is only as good as the data you feed it and the assumptions you bake into it. Misinterpretation and hidden biases are huge, huge pitfalls. They can lead you to draw the exact wrong conclusion, and often with a dangerous amount of confidence.
Now, this might sound a little abstract, so let's make it really concrete. We're going to look at a simple visual example of how easily data can mislead you, even when it's technically accurate. All right, pay close attention here. Both of the graphs we're about to see are plotting the identical sales numbers for year 9 and year 10. The only thing that's different is how they're presented.
This is just a perfect illustration of the danger. Look at that first graph. It makes it look like sales are pretty much stable, right? No big deal. But then you look at the second graph and whoa, sales actually fell off a cliff. Remember, these are the exact same numbers, but they tell two completely different stories. And it's all because the y-axis on that first graph was manipulated to hide that massive drop. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book. But in our age of automated dashboards and fancy software, it's easier than ever to make this mistake, either by accident or sometimes on purpose. It's a perfect example of why you can't just trust a pretty visualization. You have to dig in and interrogate it.
So let's bring this all together. On one side, we've got the incredible promise of data analytics, and on the other, the very serious perils of getting it wrong. So what does all this mean for the accounting professional today?
This is the ultimate takeaway. The technology, the algorithms, the dashboards, all of that is constantly going to change. But the core, timeless skill of a great accountant, that stays the same, and it's professional skepticism. It's that willingness to question, to probe, and to never, ever just take data at face value.
And that really leaves us with a final thought to chew on. As machines get better and better at crunching the numbers, that uniquely human ability to apply context, experience, and critical judgment, well, it doesn't just stay relevant, it becomes the most valuable asset you have.